Here's an analysis of the potential global changes that could result from the creation of the Janus Q1 product by Singularize, as described, a DNA sequencing technology capable of reading DNA directly from chromosomes without modification or PCR, delivering highly accurate results and reducing the cost of sequencing a human genome to under $50. The Janus Q1 project by Singularize, with its goal of sequencing DNA from chromosomes without alteration or PCR amplification, at a cost of less than $50 per human genome, could usher in transformative changes across multiple domains: scientific, medical, economic, and societal. Below are some of the potential impacts this breakthrough could have on the world. Revolution in healthcare and precision medicine, affordable genomic screening. At under $50 per genome, widespread genomic sequencing could become routine, enabling early detection of genetic predispositions to diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, or heart disease. This could shift healthcare from reactive to preventive, potentially saving millions of lives and reducing treatment costs. Personalized treatments. Accurate, low-cost sequencing could accelerate the growth of precision medicine, where treatments and drugs are tailored to an individual's genetic makeup, improving efficacy and reducing side effects. Global health equity. Lower costs could democratize access to genomic data, bringing advanced diagnostics to developing nations and underserved populations, narrowing the healthcare gap. Advancements in scientific research. Accelerated genomic studies. Researchers could sequence entire populations of humans, animals, plants, and microbes at unprecedented scale and speed, deepening our understanding of evolution, biodiversity, and genetic interactions. Breakthroughs in synthetic biology. Direct, unaltered DNA sequencing could enhance gene editing technologies like CRISPR, enabling more precise modifications without the errors introduced by PCR amplification. Unraveling complex diseases. The ability to sequence whole chromosomes accurately could unlock the mysteries of polygenic disorders, like diabetes or schizophrenia, where multiple genes and environmental factors interplay. Economic disruption is on the horizon. Imagine this. Current sequencing methods, often exceeding $1,000 per genome, limit scalability. Now consider a sub-$50 price point. It could slash research and development costs for biotech firms, spurring innovation in drug discovery and agricultural genomics. Established sequencing giants like Illumina might face competition, driving further price reductions and technological advancements. New players like Singularize could reshape the genomics industry. And let's not forget job creation. A boom in affordable genomics could create demand for bioinformaticians, genetic counselors, and data analysts, boosting employment in STEM fields. Ethical and social implications, privacy concerns. Ubiquitous sequencing could raise fears of genetic discrimination by employers, insurers, or governments, necessitating stronger data protection laws. Eugenics debate. Easy access to genomic data might revive controversial discussions about designer babies or selective breeding, challenging societal norms and ethics. Cultural shifts. As individuals learn more about their genetic heritage and risks, attitudes toward identity, family planning, and health could evolve, potentially reducing stigma around genetic conditions. Environmental and agricultural impact. Crop and livestock. Improvement. Affordable sequencing could optimize breeding programs for drought-resistant crops or disease-resistant livestock, enhancing food security in a changing climate. Conservation efforts. Sequencing endangered species genomes without alteration could aid in preserving biodiversity, offering insights into adaptation and resilience. Challenges to existing systems. Regulatory lag. Governments might struggle to keep pace with this technology, delaying its integration into clinical practice or creating inconsistent standards across regions. Data overload. The sheer volume of genomic data generated could overwhelm current computational infrastructure, requiring advances in storage, analysis, and AI-driven interpretation. Conclusion. The Janus Q1 product could catalyze a genomic revolution, making DNA sequencing as commonplace as a blood test. Its impact would ripple through medicine, science, and society, offering unparalleled opportunities for discovery and improvement, while posing new ethical, economic, and logistical challenges. If successful, it could redefine humanity's relationship with its own biology, bringing us closer to a future where genetic insight is a universal right, not a luxury.